honestly the most quality made U-part wig that I have ever tried. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I'm not gonna hold y'all. This might be the best U-part wig ever. Like, it's quality made, y'all. They didn't play no games over here. This is a new brand that I have not tried from. Is Ywigs. So we're gonna test this out and see how it goes together. If you're interested in seeing how I install this unit and what I think about it, keep on watching. But you know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff since you're already here. Okay, so we have a very narrow spaced U-part wig here. I love that it's a curved part too. Is it even a U-part? It's labeled a U-part, but it's kind of like just like a leave out kind of ish wig. It's not a V-part either. But I don't know. We're going to roll with U-part because that's what they named it. But I like it. It's like a curved part, lace part wig, but you know, without the lace in it. So I like that a lot already. I made sure I had the space within the parting that I left out of my hair to be able to do the curved part. And then I went ahead and installed the wig real quick, just sliding in the combs and clipping them down. It's very simple and super easy. And these combs got some grip. This wig is quality made, y'all. Like, you see that? They already added layers. I ain't even got to add the layers. You know, I'm going to add a little bit of layers later. But still, I didn't have to add most of the layers, and that is amazing. I went ahead and pressed my hair out with the hot comb before I went ahead and used my flat iron and, you know, clean up my part like I'm doing right here. But I did that just to basically kind of press my hair out a little bit more since these are two different textures. My hair is one texture and the wig is another. But honestly, y'all, this natural wave hair they sent me, it blended pretty good. Like, I'm not done yet, obviously. But when we get to that point, like, listen, this hair, it really blended out really well for this being two different textures. I usually, you know, I like my kinky straights because that really matches without a lot of effort. But this was a good match for real. I went in with my wax stick towards the roots because I get a lot of flyaways on my own hair. Y'all can't necessarily see it on camera all the time, but I be getting flyaways a lot. And there I go. Add my little bit of layers. I didn't have to go in hardcore, but I did have to add some to match because the other side had great layers, but this side didn't have as many layers. Honestly, that's all I had to do. This install was super quick and easy, and it looked like I did a lot, and I didn't have to do much at all. I'm a fan. Y'all, this is honestly the most quality made U-part wig that I have ever tried. I was not expecting this. This is my first time working with Ywigs. So usually with newer companies, as usual, I'm like skeptical about what I'm getting. Like, we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Like, I don't know why I act surprised when a good 9.5 times out of 10 I'm gonna make a wig work. So I don't know why I be acting skeptical. But I absolutely love this unit. My only thing is it is a little bit thick around this area, so you do have a little more volume. So if you like your wigs on flat when you do like U parts, V parts, whatever, that might be a problem for you. I like it because I feel like when you curl the hair, it's just gonna like disguise with the volume anyway, but it's not the most flat like leave out area. But that's pretty much like my only con with it though. I love the natural wave of this hair. I was expecting to have to curl it. I didn't really have to do that. I could just zhuzh up the side a little bit, and y'all know that I love that it came with layers like that already. Oh, this wig is quality. This is quality. I did add a little bit more layerage on this side. That was a personal preference. You don't have to. You can also curl the whole thing if you want to, but I love that I was able to just wear it like this pretty much straight out the package. I was a little concerned with me blending my hair with this hair, like how well was that gonna go? And even that, it might be me, you know, and my techniques and stuff like that, or it could just be the hair, I don't know. But I feel like this is the best that I've ever had like my hair blend with a silkier texture. Now I will credit some of that to having a good flat iron as well. I think that makes a big difference in how your hair blends with silkier textures when you have kinkier hair. But this just came together really easy. I really wasn't expecting this. A lot of times with U parts, V parts, when they make the combs around here, I notice they get kind of loose and they can get flimsy sometimes. It's not a huge deal to me because over time, like, I know how to sew and I know how to like sew wigs and all that stuff, so I can retie like whatever pops off back together for me. But I love that this is so sturdy. Like, this is the most sturdy I've ever seen the combs just be in my hair. No sliding around, no nothing. I don't have no braids in my hair or anything. Y'all saw The density is perfect. This is the perfect density. Like, the fullness is right on point, not overly done. I just really was not expecting to be like liking this wig the way that I do. They really got me with the layers. Like, having layers already, listen, y'all know how I feel about layers. So the fact that it came with it already, it's like they read my mind. The natural color of it really matches up with the natural color of my hair. So if you think your hair is like the dark 1B-ish brown that I have, this is gonna be on point for you. Y'all, my camera cut out on me, but I'm back. So I don't even remember what I was saying, but listen, this wig is quality made. I love the length of it. I think it's a very nice length. It's not super long, but it's not, you know, short either. I like this mid length. My head is really comfortable, and y'all, the size. Can we get into the size? Literally, this thing fits so well. It does not give me any of that hanging off issue. Fits to my head great, but I think you can still adjust it if you have a larger head or a smaller head. Okay, Ywigs, I see y'all. They underrated. If you're interested in this U-part wig, I will have the details linked down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. You don't know what does it, if you don't